Hello everyone, welcome to Shruti's online school. Today in this video we are going to solve the sums of exercise 2.3, and in the description box you can see the link given for the concept video which was taught to help in solving the exercise of these sums. So let's start. So here in exercise 2.3 they are asking us which of the following will not represent 0. So what we are going to do is simple. We are just going to solve and check. If it is a 0, answer is 0, then it will represent 0. If not, it will not represent 0. 1 plus 0, we have seen any number plus 1. Any number plus 0 gives us the same number. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So we will write therefore 1 plus 0 will not represent 0. 1 plus 0 will not represent 0. The next question is 0 multiplied by 0. Any number multiplied by 0 or 0 multiplied by the same 0 will give us 0 itself. So therefore 0 multiplied by 0 will represent 0. The 0 reminds me of a joke that what did 0 say to 8? Very simple. You have a nice belt. Next question is, that was a joke. Which of the following will not represent 0? Next question is 0 divided by 2. So any 0 divided by any number will ultimately give us 0. The reason is very simple. 2 multiplied by what will give us 0? 2 multiplied by 0 will give us 0. So therefore 0 divided by 2 or 0 by 2 will represent 0. The next question is 10 minus 10 upon 2. So here what we'll do is 10 minus 10 gives 0 by 2. 0 by 2 will give us 0. So therefore 10 minus 10 upon 2 will represent 0. Now let's proceed further with the next sum. So here they have asked us if the product of two whole numbers is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? You have to justify through examples. So we will just take one or two examples, we'll get the answer. Product of two whole numbers is 0. So product of two whole numbers can be 0 if 0 multiplied by 0, if both of them are 0, then the product will be 0. Otherwise, out of both the numbers, we take one number as any other natural number and the other number as 0. Then also we get 0. So they are asking, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Yes, we can see in both the examples. Here we have both of them 0 and here we have one of them is 0. So we have to justify through examples. It is justified. We'll write, if we'll copy from the question only, if the product of two whole numbers, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, we can say that one or both of them will be 0. Any justification is asked, we just have to solve the sums using numbers and check the answer and ultimately write the answer. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through examples. So here again what we do is we take both of them 1. 1 multiplied by 1, the answer is 1. So here we see product of two whole numbers is 1. Now what we take is 1 we take other number and the other one we take 1. So 3 multiplied by 1, 1 is a multiplicative identity, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So here when we justify it through examples, we can say if the product of two whole numbers is 1. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, then we see that both the numbers are 1. Both the numbers are 1. If both of them are 1, then only we get the answer as 1. If one of them is 1, we do not get the answer as 1. Let us solve the next sum. Find using distributive property. So we have done distributive property over addition, and we have also used formulas or certain patterns to solve the sums by distributive property. We will make use of both in this exercise. So here they have given 728 multiplied by 101. So 101 can also be written as 100 plus 1. So this is distributive property of addition over multiplication. So here what we do is 728 multiplied by 100 plus this 728 will also be multiplied by 1, because 728 is getting multiplied by the whole bracket. So therefore whatever is there inside the bracket, it will get multiplied by both. So here when we solve 728 1 side 728 and 2 zeros, 7 plus 728 1 side 728, and then we add in the rough column 72800 plus 728. So we get it as 73,528. Now the next question is 5,437 multiplied by 1,001. So here again what we do is 5,437 multiplied by 1,001. So we write 1,000 as it is plus 1. Now we multiply 5,437 by 1,000 plus we copy as it is 5,437 we multiply by 1 also, because 5,437 is getting multiplied by the whole bracket, and then we ultimately solve it. 5,437 multiplied 1 is same, and then 3 zeros. 5,437 multiplied by 1 is same, and then we just add in the rough column. So here we get this as 54,37,000 plus 5,437. 7 5 12 314. So it gives us 54,42,437. Now we proceed further. So here they have asked us to solve using distributive property again. So here 824 multiplied by 25. So if you remember, we had seen in patterns as 25 can also be shown as 100 upon 4. So here what we do is, here we do 824 multiplied by 100 upon 4. So 824 multiplied by 100 is 824 and 2 zeros upon 4. So now here we'll divide in the rough column 824 and 2 zeros by 4. So 4 2s is 8. 2 we bring down, 4 zeros are 0. Then we bring down 4, 4 6 are 24. And then we see 2 zeros we write as it is. So here the final answer that we get is 20,600. Next question is 4,275 multiply 125. We saw in patterns that 125 can also be written as 1000 upon 8. So here 4,275 multiplied by 1000 upon 8. So we write 4275 and triple zeros divided by 8. And then we just solve it in the rough column and write the final answer. So it gives us 42,75,000. 8 table we get 5s are 40. So 42 minus 40 gives 2. 8 table we get 3s are 24. We get 3, then we write this 5. 8 4s is 32. 3, this 0 comes down. 8 3s is 24. 6, again 0. 8 7s is 56. 4, and then this is the last 0. 8 5s is 40. So we get the answer as 5,34,375. Now we proceed further with the next sum. Again using distributive property, 504 multiply 35. So 35 can also be written as 70 upon 2, which we saw in patterns. So here 504 multiplied by 70 upon 2. So 504 quickly can be multiplied by 7. 7 4s is 28, 0 plus 2 is 2, 7 5s is 35. So it gives us 3,528 and 0 divided by 2. And now what we do is we quickly do division. 35280 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2. Then we get to 7s are 14. Then we get to 6 are 12. Then we get to 4s are 8. And there is a 0, so 2 zeros are 0. So here what we get is 17,640. Now the next question is study the pattern. So here we have to just see carefully, apply logic and solve the sums like this. So here they have given 1 multiplied by 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then this 1 has become 1 to 12 multiplied by 8 plus 2 is equal to 98. Then this 1 to 12 has become 1 to 3 multiplied by 8 plus 3 equal to 987. So here what we see in all the three patterns, in all the three places, earlier only one single digit 1, so it was 8 plus 1 and the answer was 9. Then after 1 we wrote 2, so here we wrote 8 plus 2, and here after 9 we wrote 8, that is the predecessor. Then 1 2 became 3, we wrote the successor of 2. Then here 8 plus 3 we wrote, and here we wrote again 9, then predecessor 8, again predecessor 7. So here we see as the numbers are going on and on adding here, whichever number we are adding here we are writing after plus the same number, and here one after the other we are writing the predecessors. So now if the next two steps are to be written, so 1 2 3 4 5 becomes 1 2 3 4 5 6. So multiplied by 8 plus 6 is equal to here 9 8 7 6 5, and the next predecessor of 5 is 4. Again one more step, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So into 8 plus 7 is equal to 9 8 7 6 5 4, and one more predecessor is 3. Is that clear to everyone? If they ask us to write one more step, we can follow the same pattern and write. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe Shruti's online school for more such interactive videos. Bye everyone.